Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today I just wanted to make a follow-on video on how you can now redeem your £20 voucher from Worldremit. If you haven't already signed up to get your £20 voucher and you'd like to find out more about this, I'll leave a link to my step-by-step video in the description beneath this video. But for today, I'm going to be working on the assumption that you've gone through that video step by step and you've now received your coupon from Worldremit via email. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come back over to the Worldremit website and sign in. As you can see, I'm already signed in here. Next, we're going to go down and select the country that we want to send money to. Again, in this video, I'm going to be sending or making a transaction to friends and family in the Philippines. Then we'll just press get started. That will then bring you over to this page. A slightly different layout to before, but the options are still the same. You have your bank transfer, mobile money, your Worldremit wallet, airtime top up, and cash pickup. Again, if you're watching this and you need to know more details about each of them, you'll find that in the step-by-step video in the description. So I'm going to be making a bank transfer, so I'll leave it on that option and press continue. Next, you will select the network of banks that the account is registered in this case, DBO, and I'm just going to be sending £20 to show you how you can redeem your coupon. Then I'll scroll down the bottom. You can see today's exchange rate, how much the fees are, and then press continue. That's then going to bring you over to the recipient's details page. So here I'm just going to select who I'm going to send the money to from the drop down menu. This will already populate the details, and over here is where you're going to enter your promo code. So you press on the little X and then go over to your email that you received from Worldremit. Here's mine. Scroll down until you see the voucher code. You're going to want to double click on the voucher code, copy, and then go back to your Worldremit page and paste it below. Then if you hit apply, you'll now see that £20 has been discounted from the transaction. So here above we said we was going to send £20. It was a £2.99 fee. Discount of £20 leaves just £2.99 to pay. And I'll scroll down to the bottom and continue. Next, we're going to choose how we're going to pay for the transaction. I'm going to stick with debit credit card. Press next. I'm going to be using the same card as before, so I'll just select there. Again, all details are already saved with Worldremit. Put in my security number and press pay. Just £2.99. Afraid the internet's running a little slow today, but we will get there. There you go. I've just sent 1,241.93 pesos to an account in Lucena, Philippines. My transaction number. I can track the progress of my transaction number just by clicking here. And that's it. I hope you found the video interesting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box below. And don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you very much.